Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this license plate holder. It's super easy. I know you've seen them on people's cars. I'll show you a really inexpensive way to make them. I have no idea how much they cost in the store, but it was super easy to make and super fun. I forgot to mention this tip in the actual video, but I want to make sure that I say if you're applying the E6000 glue to a metal license plate frame, you want to wait for the glue to get tacky. So I'd wait about 30 seconds before I start applying the crystals. That's the first lesson I learned. And then I want to give a shout out to someone who watches my channel. I think Latifa is their name. Latifa, if you're watching, I remember before you said that you were gonna make a lipstick holder, and I had actually mentioned that to my sister, like, oh, I want to make one of my subscribers a lipstick holder. And she said, did you ever make that? And I said I didn't. So if you email me the color that you want, I will make it for you, and I'm gonna make it into a video. If you don't want it, or if you already have one, that's fine, but if you'd like it, just let me know. Okay, so let's get the video started. For this project, I used a metal license plate holder, E6000 glue, and this tiny dot right here is the Swarovski crystal I used, and the color is black diamond. So I'm going to get started. This is a way better view of the crystals. The larger ones are the 16SS and the smaller ones are the 9SS. And again, the color is black diamond. This is the final result. I like how it turned out, but what I learned from this project is I probably would have gone smaller and used 12 SS or maybe even 10 SS, just because the 16s didn't always fit and there's little gaps here and there. I used the 9 SS to fill in some of the gaps, but I just decided that I would actually save the rest of them for a different project. So this was super easy to make, super fun. I'm gonna put this on my car, and I probably will make another one with the 10 SS just to show you guys the difference. But as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good week, and I will see you next time.